So today we're making a video on this Cuisinart toaster oven. The issues with this dial right here, check it out. You see how it's going all over the place? If you move it, it just drips all over the place. I mean, just tapping it, look at that, such a mess everywhere. So we're gonna take it apart and see if we're able to fix it. Okay, so we're gonna be taking this apart, beginning by removing all the back screws. Let's try this H2.5. That's it, H2.5. And boom, comes right off. Now we gotta take all the bottom. It appears we're gonna need some long screwdrivers to reach all the way in order to remove the rest. Okay, let's continue. Got the long screwdriver, and we're going to remove them. Use something like this to get the sides off. There we go. See these little clips? Little clips goes on the side. Same thing on the other side. Okay. Booyah, side comes right off. Additional screws right under here. Now we have this piece pretty much loose. Now we can take this bottom one. Keep it right there. This board is now out, and look. You see how that works? Literally just uses that. So this whole button here, no wonder it's a mess. See that? That's the whole design behind it. Very, very dumb design. Because, as you can see, if this board or this thing goes bad, it just stops working. Literally all I'm gonna do is trying to clean this up and put it back. Let's see if I can unplug this. Nope. This is one of those that can't be unplugged. Let's see. Okay, so we'll take it out from here. There we go. Okay, under the microscope for cleaning. So this is the board, and that is the part that, you know, it's acting up. Mainly when you spin, when you turn. It does have a tach switch when you press OK. That is working fine. But this here that spins, this is what's going all over the place. Okay guys, so I found the part on AliExpress. It's very cheap. I'm going to order it, but it's probably going to take some time to get here, right? So for that reason, I'm going to remove this and clean it and then put it back. Once I receive the part, I'll go ahead and replace it. Okay, so it has been desoldered off the board, which I wanted to do just so I could compare with the one being sold, right? I want to make sure the exact same part, and it is. So that kind of allows me to order the exact same part. But now we're going to open up these 3 pins to the side so we could clean it. Okay, so we loosen up these pins to the side and want to make sure we put it back the same way. So it's actually hard not to put back the same way. Take that top piece off, and just the part we're going to remove. And would you look at that? You see this? This is what creates the contact, and if it's not touching well, guess what? We're going to have the problems that we're having now. So I'm just going to lift them up a little bit because I want them to touch very well. So you want to bend those pins out as much as possible. And on this side, let's see what we got here. Shoot. Looks like we got some, I wouldn't call it rust, but dirty. I mean, there's a lot of grease in here, and that's how it spins nicely. But yeah, so the best solution for this is just to get the new one. So I'm gonna place that order, but like I said, I'm cleaning this. Gonna use it temporarily because I can't stay without my mini oven. But once the new part arrives, I'll repeat this process, solder it in, call it a day. So I'm just kind of scrubbing it just to make it nice, but I think that will help. Now we're just going to put this back and spin it. So this kind of goes forward and backwards, but now it's a little tighter because I loosen it up. So that's going to help. Guys, I think I got it as perfectly as possible. So we're going to go ahead and put it back and solder it. Now we're going to put it all back together. So it's going to be fun. A lot of fun. I'm going to clean this display. There we go. Also, we'll clean this one on the inside. It's gonna be just like that with this on top. So I'm not gonna show you all of this, but basically I'm gonna put it all back together and then test. So we're gonna skip to the test part. Okay guys, we just turned it on. We just plugged it actually. So now we're gonna see if that cleaning helped. I'm not sure if it did, but let's see. What? Guys, see this? Pretty nice. I mean, look at that. It's not jumping. Not jumping anymore. But you see what I did? That cleaning. I still want to order the new one, but this cleaning, whew, did a trick. My God, look at that. It's ready to go. So guys, it's a pain in the butt to take it apart and clean. You may have to desolder, or actually you definitely have to desolder that part in order to clean it, just like you see in the video. But man, it feels so much better. I mean, look at that. Before, I was going crazy. I was ready to break it and buy a new one. Thank God I didn't, because this device works great. The only issue is this, should I call it stupid dial? Anyway, this has been another DJB repair. So make sure to like, subscribe for more repair videos and more entertainment videos. Thank you.